pencil maker's instructions were thus. 5 points he had for the pencil. The first one, he said, you'll be able to do many great things, but you must be comfortable in the instructor's hand. You must put yourself into the teacher's hand. The second thing he said was you'll experience many painful sharpenings through the years, but those are necessary to help you to be a good pencil. The third point, you're going to make some mistakes, but as long as you've got that eraser, you'll always be able to get rid of your mistakes. The fourth thing this wise, aged pencil maker said to his pencil before he put him in the box, never forget the most important part of you being a pencil is not the outside, but it's what's on the inside. And the last thing he said was on the surface, on any surface where you are applied, you need to leave your mark. You must do your job everywhere you're applied, and you need to leave your mark on every surface to which you're applied. No matter what the conditions, you've got to continue to write. The pencil understood, and he promised to the wise, aged pencil maker that he'd do his best.